The schedule or tropic of the magistrates is as followeth in the 15th order, requiring that upon every Monday next ensuing the last of March, the nights of the annual galaxies taking their places in the Senate be called the first region of the same, and that the House, having dismissed the third region and received the first, proceed unto election of the magistrates contained in the first part of the tropic by ensuing schedule. The Lord Strategos, the Lord Orator, the first censor, annual magistrates, the second censor, the third commissioner of the seal, the third commissioner of the treasury, triennial magistrates. The annual magistrates, provided that no one man bear above one of those honors during the term of one session, may be elected out of any region, but the triennial magistrates may not be elected out of any other than the third region only, lest the term of their session expire before that of their honor, and it being unlawful for any man to bear magistracy any longer than he is thereunto qualified by the election of the people, cause a fraction in the rotation of this commonwealth. The strategos is first president of the Senate and general of the army, if it be commanded to march, in which case there shall be a second strategos elected to be first president of the Senate and general of the second army. And if this also be commanded to march, a third strategos shall be chosen, and so as long as the commonwealth sendeth forth armies. The Lord Orator is second and more peculiar president of the Senate, unto whom it appertaineth to keep the house unto orders. The censors, whereof the first by consequence of his election is Chancellor of the University of Clio, and the second of that of Calliope, are presidents of the Council for Religion and magistrates, unto whom it belongeth to keep the house unto order of the ballot. They are also inquisitors into the ways and means of acquiring magistracy, and have power to punish indirect proceeding in the same, by removing a knight or magistrate out of the house under appeal unto the Senate. The commissioners of the seal being three, whereof the third is annually chosen out of the third region, are judges in chancery. The commissioners of the treasury, being three, whereof the third is annually chosen out of the third region, are judges in the exchequer, and every magistrate of this schedule hath right to propose unto the Senate. But the strategos, with the 6 commissioners, are the signory of this commonwealth, having right of session and suffrage in every council of the Senate, and power, either jointly or severally, to propose in all or any of them. I have little in this order to observe or prove, but that the strategos is the same honor, both in name and thing, that was born, among others, by Philopoemen and Aratus in the commonwealth of the Achaeans, the like having been in use also with the Aetolians, quem ut Achae strategon nominabant, saith Emmius. The orator, called otherwise the speaker, is with small alteration the same that had been a former use in this nation. These two, if you will, may be compared unto the consuls of Rome, or the suffets in Carthage, for their magistracy is scarce different. The censors derive their power of removing a senator from those of Rome, the government of the ballot from those of Venice, and that of animadversion upon the ambitus, or canvass for magistracy, from both. The signory, with the whole right and use of that magistracy to be hereafter more fully explained, is almost purely Venetian.